Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys, welcome back. So, today I want to give you guys my last project that is podcast. Okay, so now I will call the guest that is special guest on my podcast that is Danis Rakan Arya Satya. I present to you. Okay, Danis. How are you, boy?
I'm good, bro.
Okay.
What's up? So,
Okay, do you know what we're gonna talk about on this podcast?
in the screen right here, I heard that we're gonna talk about daily activity in IDN boarding school.
Yes, that is correct. So I just want to give you a few questions here. So the first question is
Before the question, I want to introduce myself.
okay, you can introduce.
So, my name is Danish Rakan Arya Satya. My name is Danish Rakan Arya Satya. You can call me Danish. I am from 7th grade, especially 7B, and I study at IDN boarding school. Now introduce yourself.
Okay, because I already introduced myself, so I don't need to introduce myself.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna give you guys a few questions. A few questions, maybe 3 or 4. Okay, so the first question is, can you give me the daily activity on IDN? Maybe when you start subuh, or maybe the daily lah on IDN.
Start waking up like from bed.
Yes, yes.
So, in my dormitory room, which is 3.9, I don't want to tell, but I always wake up late. I always wake up late. Always.
That's classic.
Yeah, that's classic. Always me. I wake up at 4 a.m. lah.
4
Like
a.m.
30 minutes before azan.
Yeah, same as me actually. I usually wake up maybe 4 past 15 usually.
But I am still lazy to wake up lah.
Yes.
I know you're smarter, bro.
No, bro. No.
Nah, after I wake up, I usually take the book,
Yes.
and then I take my cap, so I don't get cut my hair by Ustaz Hendra. Yes, and then I go to the mosque. But before go to mosque, I usually when I wake up, I go to the toilet. Do you know the toilet beside the futsal field?
Oh yes.
Nah, I go to there. After I go to the toilet, take a pee or stuff, and then I go to the mosque. And then I pray tahajud 4 rakaat, and then witir 1 rakaat.
Then after that,
Before tahajud, I usually pray tahiyatul masjid first.
Inshallah, yes.
Good kan?
Yes.
And then, yes, that's the first question that I can answer.
Okay. After you pray subuh ya, then what is the next? What the next after
After pray subuh.
Yes.
Like Monday until Friday. Not
Yes,
in holiday, right?
Yeah, not on holiday.
School day.
Yes, school day.
Yes, school day. I usually after subuh, we usually do zikir, morning zikir.
Morning zikir.
After morning zikir with the leader sometimes can be up to the imam.
Oh, the imam.
Like for example,
random ya?
Yeah, random.
Okay.
Okay. Myself nih. For example, the imam say Danish 3.9 or Saka 3.2 like that, and then you must come forward to lead the zikir. After that, after zikir, we need to go to holakoh. Holakoh after praying subuh or after zikir or after morning zikir. Nah, usually holakoh only takes after subuh only takes around 40 or 50 minutes lah.
40, okay.
Yeah, 40 minutes.
That's quite long.
Yeah, that's quite long, but at least it's not 1 hour, bro.
Yes.
And then usually in the Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday after holakoh, holakoh ends at 6 a.m. After holakoh, we usually eat at the cafeteria. We usually
Canteen.
eat at the canteen. Nah, canteen.
Yes.
After we eat, we go to shower.
Oh, take a shower.
But sometimes other people, like in my dormitory room, for example, Gala. You know Gala?
Yes, I know.
He always take shower before subuh.
Oh, so that
we wake up early.
Yes. Yeah, that is genius, bro.
But for me, I'm lazy. You know lah, classic. And then I take bath at the futsal field toilet also near there. After I take a bed. I wear myself outfit for Tuesday,
Uniform,
Wednesday. Yeah, uniform lah for school day. After school day, I usually prepare for go to school
Oh.
and then morning spirit.
When does the class start?
The class start usually
Yes.
at Monday until Thursday. The class starts at 7:30
7:30
a.m.
Yes.
But Friday 8 a.m.
8.
8 a.m. But it's actually 8 a.m. But Ustadz Dedi didn't come at that like
Oh, so
30
like-
minutes after that. So late 30 minutes
Yes,
because of
okay.
meeting in the office.
Why Friday you go to class at 8? Why?
At 8. Why?
Yes. Why?
Because we need to do Jumsik. So
Oh,
Jumsik is
Jumsik.
actually Friday
Friday morning.
fresh. Friday morning.
Friday morning.
Yeah, Friday morning. Friday after the holako, we usually clean the IDN boarding school surroundings like area. So there is the area that we should clean. For example, dormitory 3.9. Clean this area and then we need to go there and then clean that and then clean that area.
Oh, so it's per dormitory, not per
Yeah,
class.
per dormitory.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, because it's actually it's dormitory time, not school
Oh,
time.
yeah. Still dormitory, right?
Yeah,
So,
still
per
dormitory time.
dormitory, yeah.
Yeah, per dormitory.
Okay. Now I will ask you the question. When we school,
What?
when we school, when we school,
Yeah,
what
when
do
we
you learn?
school.
What do you learn?
Actually, we learn about our three main subjects in this IT school, which is Dinia,
Hmm?
IT, and English. So the schedule in 7B is in the first Monday until Thursday at 7:30. We usually Dinia.
Dunia. Okay.
After that, 1 hour and 30 minutes later, 9 a.m. switch to IT with Mr. Alfi.
Oh, Mr. Alfie.
9 a.m. until 9:45. After 9:45, Mr. Alfi said us to pray duha first.
Pray duha.
If
Okay.
not pray duha, Mr. Koko will say no take laptop. So everyone will be scared.
Yeah.
Like that lah.
So we pray duha because we want to take
Yeah,
laptop.
that's the
That is
that's the niat. That's the niat.
okay. And then
100% the niat.
next.
And then after pray duha 9:45 until 10 past 5,
Hmm?
we go back to class to learn IT until 11:15 a.m.
Oh, so until zuhur.
Yeah, before zuhur.
Oh, before zuhur ya, before zuhur.
After before zuhur, if not fasting, we usually eat at the canteen.
Canteen again.
And then again, after eat at the canteen, I usually not eat at canteen sih. I go to
Warjo.
Warjo. Always classic because
Yeah, because
lazy.
you are rich man, bro.
No,
Oh, yeah.
I am lazy to wait for the food to. What ya? I just lazy to.
Because you only want to eat a good food.
No, I lazy to quit. You know?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. After that, I go to mosque and pray zuhur.
Pray zuhur.
Yeah.
Then, is there any agenda after zuhur, or maybe you can sleep? Or
In
something?
the agenda after zuhur there is, but it's different. But it's different. So usually on Monday and Thursday there is kajian by the teacher after zuhur,
Okay.
like short lecture.
Oh, okay. So it's like, yeah, like kajian, right?
Yeah, like kajian like that. How long? Maybe only 20 minutes lah until 12:40 a.m. If on Wednesday, usually there is speech after zuhur. Like a student from 7 until 9 grade will be called by the student council English division, and then they will be called and then speak in front for at least 5 or 3 minutes, like that. Dah.
Oh, so like 1 minute each class. There is the limit time or like.
I think there is no limit time there.
Oh,
I mean, there is no, I
but
think.
like, yeah, if you want to stop in 3 minutes, but
Yeah, but there is the target, there's the minimum. And then if you already passed the 3 minute, but your voice is a little bit too what ya? A little bit too low,
Oh, long.
not
Okay.
not loud enough lah, too quiet. That means your English teacher must be repeat, must be
So, you repeat again.
yeah repeat again because my voice is too
Okay.
low. But in this semester, I haven't done a single speech. The last time I haven't. The last time I speech was in semester 1.
Repeat or?
Not repeat lah. Not play this time.
And then, usually after speech or maybe after kajian, what do you do? Is there any like free time or you can go sleep or?
If kajian in fasting day, I usually go to school, go back to class.
Okay.
Not breaking fast. Not breaking fast. Yes.
But I usually see you on Garjo eating.
That's just different. Different.
Okay. What about after speech? Yeah. Yes. Speech.
After speech, there is after speech usually there is nothing. See, I usually go to Warjo
Garjo. Okay.
because I want to eat again.
So yes. And then after that after speech you go.
Yeah, after that, I go to speech and go back to class again. No, when go back to class, I usually learn English. That's my schedule for 7B.
Okay. After English class.
After English, aku Mr. Koko.
No, after English.
After English, Mr. Koko, I usually before asar, I usually take my bag from my classroom and then put it on dormitory hallway in the first floor. In the first floor, after I put my bag in the first floor, I usually take my sandals. After I take my sandals, I go to the mosque
Okay. Pray asar.
and then pray asar.
Then after pray asar, what do you?
After pray asar, no, this is the challenging part. If I play before asar, I will speech in the middle of the night. After Isha, I must speech. If I am late to the mosque,
Oh, so
that's the
you like Mas ya?
yes, that is correct. So after asar, as I said before, I go to dormitory to put my bag and then I take a shower.
After that, you take a shower and then you there's free time.
There's free time for sports,
Oh, so
but I am lazy.
solo. So free time for
I think it is about 1 hour 30 minutes.
1 hour.
Too long.
So after that,
Long enough.
prepare and then go to mosque again or public.
Yes, that is correct.
Then after that,
After Maghrib.
yes.
After Maghrib, if we are fasting Monday and Thursday, after Maghrib there is free time.
Oh, free
Free time
for it ya.
for eating.
Oh yes.
After Maghrib, pada Maghrib there is like about 1 hour lah.
Until Isya.
Until before Isya.
Until before Isya. Okay. Then if
But
fasting,
if Monday and Thursday, after Asar there is halako. But Tuesday and then Wednesday and then Friday and then Saturday there is halako. After Ba'da Maghrib. After Ba'da Maghrib. But at Saturday, Ba'da Maghrib, even though you're not fasting, at Saturday you're free time, like fasting, but you're not fasting.
how about Sunday?
Sunday, actually, in the morning there are short lecture. Not short lecture, long lecture. Like the more advanced version of kajian in the mosque.
Oh,
In the school time.
it start from what time?
Ba'da zikir morning and then until 6 a.m. That is the maximum. But sometimes kajian stops at 5:50 a.m.
Then after that you free, so you can do whatever you want.
Like a holiday, but we cannot hold phone or laptop. Yeah, because morning school. Yeah, kita nggak pernah.
But Sunday you can. call, bro. You can call.
Yeah, only 1 hour, not worth it.
Okay, I think that's only my question for this short podcast. I just want to say thank you, Dennis,
Yeah, thank you.
for to be my special guest. And I see you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome.